Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing Virtual Contest 475. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's farm. Getting my notebook, pencil ready. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Yes, go. Do. Alright, everything good? Alright, let's go. Alright. I mean, I guess there's a part 2, and part 2 is probably like less intense, but whatever. Alright. And now, best is gonna. What is the function? I mean, okay, fine, right? Six, 8, -1. Alright. Alright, good. Alright, I guess this is the same one, but harder. Right? Is it? Just double checking. Oops. What the? Alright, it is, and it's big, right? Alright, well, I mean, okay. I guess it didn't really take that much longer for whatever, but, alright, and it's already sorted, then now, oh yeah. And I already used K. That's actually not Koch. So this is going to look confusing, but okay, fine. And you could probably write this differently, but whatever. Putting in the Q1 first. Alright. Hopefully the constraints didn't change that much. Okay, good. I did get it accepted, right? I'm jumping too much in between problems. Okay. Alright. 0, 1, or 2. Integer K. Top left, bottom right, moving only right and down. So this is going to be all times C times K. What is that? All times C. 40 million is a little bit high. If we do it naively, I suppose. Is there something about the 2 and 0 that we can do? Maximum score. Is there an optimization I need to do? 200 times that is a little bit big. Okay, so then you can only go right or down. So at every cell, it's going to be only R plus C. So it's not 10 to the third because it's not possible to go to 10 to the third. It's only 400, so it's 200 cubed. Okay, I see. All right, that's good. Okay. Then it's 200 cubed, which is 8 million, which is still a little bit annoying, but maybe it's fine. Oops. I don't know, whatever, just something like that. Oh, wait, we're doing max score, so this is actually 0. Yeah, this K is gonna kill me. This is make it big K. Okay, well that's just confusing, but okay. We want max. Oh yeah. Okay, fine. I just write it that way. Because that's actually, yeah, that's the score. No need for if statement. I need a bound check. This goes to K, that's fine, let's go K minus 1. Yep. This K is fine, okay. We also need okay, and then now what the no, that's fine. Okay, and then now we want Oh, I have to do no routed path, so this may actually be wrong. But we should let's make sure that I plus 1 is less than R. Did I do this wrong? It's K R C. Okay, I did it in the wrong order. K is in the oh, whoops. Also, whoops. Okay. Obviously not right. We have to also do the -1 case. That's fine then. I think that's fine. Okay. I mean that's clearly wrong, but so that's 0 0 grid damaging. So okay, so we don't count the last cell. I have to fixing the last cell. But it should still give me an answer for the first one. Two. That's wrong, right? That's not enough. C K. Okay, because it was missing some. Oh well, now this is not right. No, it's fine. Well, no, this is no longer right. Should be this. Precisely, but then now this has to be K plus 1 so that we get the inclusion, and then okay, that's just sloppy though. Why is it 0? K is 0 to 1. I don't know how to read this honestly. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one, that's why. Okay. But that's still that's even more wrong. I don't know how to look at this because it's 3-dimensional. Yeah, these dimensions look more correct. K is equal to 2. 2 by 2 by 2. 2 by 2 by 2 should have. Yeah, 2 by 2 by 2 should have 8 things. Where am I wrong? Why is there only 6 things? 2 by 2 by 2. Huh? 2 by 2. Huh? Am I being dumb today? I mean, yes, but K is 1, but oh, because it's K. But we do K plus 1, so it should be 2. So it's 2 by 2 by 2. So why is this not? Oh, no, this is 2 by... Okay, I'm just blind. That is 8 things. All right. But 2 only costs 1, right? Oh, no, I'm still looking at this one. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. So this is the one where we have to consider the last cell. Okay, fine. All right. Okay, so then it's going to be... Okay, so Yeah, okay, this is annoying, but it's fine. This is 0, then this is fine. Otherwise, if we don't count this, and then we add, well, just quit. Alright, okay. Okay, that's good. 0, not so good. We have to fix that. Spending too much time on this one. Okay, 2 by 2 by 2, that's expected. Why is it 0? Do I not get the points? I didn't add the points, did I? No, I didn't. I copied and pasted, I just forgot. Okay, that's fine. Okay, 2 and -1. Hopefully I didn't make any more silly mistakes. YOLO submit. Yeah. I mean, maybe I could do the space optimization, but hopefully this is fast enough. If it's times out or memory limit exceeded, then I don't know, Leetcode sucks. It looks like it's gonna time out though. I guess I could, ooh, 15 seconds though is ridiculous. That I have to wait for this one, but still, okay. Double checking, okay, so it looks good. Alright, we have an 8-pointer today, and we have, how much, where's the timer? 1 hour, 13 minutes left. So that's gonna be fun. Alright, we have a cyclic array nums and an integer k. Which are nums and most k subarray? Okay. The score of a petition is the sum of the subarray ranges. The score of a petition. Then the maximum score. Okay. What are the 1,000? So maybe n squared. Maybe we have a dp. Okay, what does k equals 2 mean? K equals 2 means that we have 1 cut. Or 2 cuts, I guess, actually. Normally it would be 1 cut. Well, how would I? I mean, the partition, the thing is a little bit weird, but okay. How do I want to think about this? Okay, index and left, what k is there? So naively, you take no tech, right? That would be fine. But then now you have to do the first one for the runaway, right? Maybe. I mean, I don't know if that's right yet, but because you have to, I don't know how to do the max minimum yet, right? The range of a subarray. Wrapped around. So it's going to be 1 and then 2. That might not be the optimal because you could just do, okay. Oh, your maximum score, not the minimum score, because I was like, you just do this. Okay, I see, maximum score. K is equal to 1. Well, there's nothing to, no choice. Okay, fine. K is equal to 4. Oh, could be fewer then. Huh. I actually did misread this, or didn't read it. That's interesting. A little bit of a spoiler is I just noticed that only 11 people got this, so maybe I won't get this. It's a good thing Q3 was fast then, or fast-ish. But I mean, if it's TP, it's just take no tech. But even if how do you even store the state? Okay. Honestly, I have no idea so far. Though, can we iterate on K? Is there some like dynamic solution? For example, 1, it's just gonna be the entire way, and then 2, we split them up. We keep the 3 and the 1. Then we also add this. And then 3, it doesn't change. Okay. Seems like we at least, or at most, with one pairs of numbers. Is there some like weird, like is there some like weird network flow solution? What would a network flow solution look like? All right, step back. What if it's not a cycle? What if we just have a regular array nums? Can we solve that? Would that still be tick no tick? I mean, it'll be n times k times n. That's still too slow, right? How would you optimize that? Do you always start a thing with the min and the max? I don't even know how to do it without the cycle part, honestly. People spend a long time on it. At least the top people aren't cheating, probably. That's good to see once in a while. Honestly, I don't even have any idea of going, like, attacking this. I am trying to think about what if it's not a cycle. Then maybe we have some ideas. The tick no tick is interesting, but I don't even know. I feel like it feels like something I know, but I don't really. I think I know how to do it without the cycle, but I think it just. Yeah, because then you just do it with DP and then you max it or the previous row. Okay. Is that right? Alright, let's implement the naive solution so I could visualize it without the cycle. I still don't know if I do know it, but index left, and then now the idea here is whatever, it doesn't really matter for now. And then now it's just going to be for range of index n. Right, so then now we take right, so then that'll be index of I plus 1, left minus 1. Right, so then now we have some idea of maximum, yep. Max is equal to was that a submission? You gotta be. Why is that a shortcut? I think I pressed like Shift Enter or something. That's so dumb. Or like maybe I hit Command or something, or Option or something. Some button on my keyboard. But I thought I turned it off because I think that happened to me. And I mean, for this problem, it doesn't matter because it's gonna be a very long time to. Actually, I don't need any of this. I thought I turned it off before, but apparently they reset some stuff and then I don't know. Anyway, okay. I mean, it doesn't matter for this one because there are only 10 people. Only 23 people solved it, so you know, like solving it is fine, but that is still a dumb thing. Okay. I guess we don't need to optimize yet. Right, so then now. Can this be simple? Okay, so this I would already be able to solve, right? Because then now you rewrite this bottoms up. And then, well, I mean, it's a little bit more annoying because of this function, but it's not that bad. Okay, but okay, let's say we have this. Like, I could do it, but I don't want to spend time on it yet. Still got an hour. Now we have to do the wraparound thing. How will we do wraparound? I guess it just depends on the first cut. The first cut can also, I mean, there are two ways to do it, but they're basically the same, right? So you either take the first cut and then you extend, or you take the last cut and then you extend you combine it, right? But then that means that you have to save some state, which is awkward. How do I handle that? Without multiplying everything by n, I mean. Because that's what it would happen, right? But I don't know how to do the wraparound. How do I do the wraparound? There's really no way to it's gonna be n squared. You cannot do a rotation. Can you do a fake rotation? Like if you want to make it, I don't even know how you would do it. Maybe you, no, you have to carry something forward. It's already too late. Okay, so adding a thing can only make it better, right? So let's say this is 0, we do 2, and then now, can we represent the prefix as a number in regards to the suffix? Because then now the max and the min is 1. We can bring it. Is there a way to bring it to the thing? I mean, you would represent it by having a prefix. But that's the same thing, right? That we're saying? And then, or you could either that or you limit how far you go on the second go or on the subsequence. I don't know how. Okay. I don't even know if this is true that I can remove this. I think we can. But actually, I don't know if it's true that what I said. But we don't even have a way to go forward, even if this is true. No, I mean, we could figure this out. This is actually not that bad, but... no, that's not. I don't even know if it's true, actually. I might just be really off base here. I'm so rusty about this. Maybe I'm wrong. No, I get it. Okay. Yeah, you can cache it. It's just very awkward. Yeah, okay. I think that's right. Wait, is it? No, I think that's right. Wait, is it? Maybe I'm wrong, actually. It depends on the K. I don't know. I have no idea how to do this. Honestly. I don't know. I still don't know how to do shifting thing. I don't even know if this is right. I mean, I know that I can rewrite this. Right? Might as well try. Oops. Does that work? That doesn't even look right just because it seems like I'm doing the same thing. But maybe let's say I find this loop, which is f of let's unmute. That's what I want to write. Something like this. But this is the max min. Starting from index, but then if I have to put in a parameter, that doesn't, it's already too slow. That's where the slope comes from. But that depends on the previous stuff, right? So maybe that this is wrong. This is why maybe I over or underestimated this part. But I still don't know how to do the rotation thing. How do I do the max and min? I mean, I guess it's the curve thing. Is the contribution thing that I didn't think about with max and min? Yeah, maybe I just don't know this one. That's what I thought you could do, but now that I think about it, I don't know how to do the max and the min. Why don't we just have max? I don't know. I have to visualize this a little bit better. Okay, maybe I need to draw it out. Okay, you have index. Okay, so this is the thing. We want to take f-1 and then all the index suffix, right? Okay. But then now we have I mean, I need to write this bottoms up. But then now, how do you adjust? You go this way. How do you do the incremental? So we have to do. How do you do it without the loop? Is it a binary search thing? I don't know. Maybe I should know, but I don't know right now. "38 minutes. I'm not getting this one, honestly. I have no confidence about this. In case you're wondering, I'm just drawing this. I don't know if it's. Let me see. I'm just drawing like the DP matrix. Try to think. Also trying to think whether it's just something that maybe I don't know, like what happens, right? But still like I'm trying to think whether maybe there's like some weird segment tree thing that I can't think of. Okay, let's start with 2 cells. Maybe that's okay. I mean that's fine. We don't have one number. No, now but I have 2 numbers. And then that also changes the other one, right? Doesn't it? No. Because then the incremental okay. Wait, what? Give me a sec. What does that mean? Okay, so then we calculate for this. I think I'm getting. I mean, I think I'm having an idea, but I'm trying to think. What does that mean? Okay, so that means that if this number is min, we update min for all of these. That means that this one is going to okay, so let's say we the cell have max and a min. How do we change it? There's some like mono stack mono queue thing. Okay, so that means that if this is min, if this is smaller, I mean the only way it doesn't change is whatever min. If this is smaller than the previous min, okay, so you have some number for here. I see. I have to think of it the other way. Because if I have this, then now this goes here. Now when I throw this out, this goes here and updates for all the other things. I see. Wow. I mean, I've never done it this way, but I see it. I still don't know how to do the cycle thing, though. I mean, my intuition is right. I just never done it this way. That's a lot of segment trees. So it's a push. Okay. I think I get it. But I still don't know how to do the cycle thing. Is there some like greedy thing that we can take advantage of the cycle? Like the max and the min or something weird? I don't even know how to implement it. I mean, I know how to implement this. Just need a segment tree implementation. Am I right though? It may be too slow though, but oops. This makes sense. I think this is fine. I mean, it may be too slow, but maybe it's, there is some like weird convex hull E thing. Maybe that's how you do it, but I don't even know if it's fast enough still. I see the light. I see the light, but I don't know. Let's try. At least we'll do something new. If not, let me find my. What do I need? I need a segment tree with lazy propagation. Is that it? Probably. All right. Wait, am I right? No, you don't increment in that way. I think I messed up. I don't think that's right. No, wait, give me. So this cell, what does this cell mean? From the perspective of here. No, that doesn't make sense. I think I messed it up. No, that's not right. My interpretation is wrong. Because here, for this cell is just for itself. For this cell, it updates here. So no, that's not right then. I mean, the min-max doesn't change, so how can I do that in a good way? It's just, it's almost like I want a convolution or a fast forward and transform, but that doesn't seem like a good way to do it. No, it would be fast enough if I knew how to do it. But basically I have two vectors and I want to sum them up really fast. I don't think I know how to do this one. And apparently only 23, 25 people do or whatever it is. So maybe I don't feel so bad. But it's still 25 minutes. So I'm hoping to grind it up. But I don't even... this way is not quite right. I mean, I think it's on the right track. I have to figure out how to get this thing in better than this time. Which maybe I don't know how to do. Because basically we want to min Maybe that's not quite the way to do it. Okay, do I do it the wrong way? Okay, let's see. Back to the drawing things. Okay, so if this cell we want here. So is there a thing about min-max things? I'm gonna go get some snacks. Honestly, I have no idea. Sorry, friends. You're watching here at this moment, listening to me yapping and snacking on pretzels. Leave a comment about your favorite during contest snack. I don't know if this is my favorite. It's just in front of me, to be honest. I think I got this from one of the races, post-races, corps type thing. But in case you're wondering, I'm just staring at my notebook of drawing up boxes of DP. I'm not gonna lie, I am Googling convex hull DP algorithm. Or the convex hull trick, I guess, is more specifically. Because I've done it like a long time ago, so I don't remember it enough of times. And I'm just trying to see whether maybe I'm missing something. Like, that's the one thing that is similar to the structure of what I'm doing now that I'm not super familiar with. So, I don't think this is quite right for what I need. I remember it now. I'm reading a Yusako in case y'all wondering. I remember this now. That's why I don't think it makes sense. That's why I didn't look it up. But I was like, oh, just in case I forgot something. Because it's not a hard slope because of the min-max. Well, unless you figure out how to do it from the segments. It is monotonically increasing, this function. No, this part is monotonically increasing, but this one is monotonically decreasing. Is there a binary search that we can do? Let's try it. You know what? I'm gonna try it. Well, I mean, I still don't have to solve it for a cycle. But, so you have a function that's decreasing and you have a function that's increasing, right? That's monotonically increasing, the other one's monotonically decreasing. I don't know. Like, it feels like it can go, like, all over the place though, right? I mean, I don't know if binary search is quite the right thing. Because it's not monotonically decreasing like a line. It's like do, and then the other one could do, and then just fly for a long time where the other one keeps going down. Then your sum would be like do, and then go up again or something. There is some property though, where I think there is like an observational property where if you use a number for the current thing, you can use it for the next thing. So then maybe there's a monotonic thing over there. I mean, even ternary search is kind of a sketch though, because it's like 1,000,000. You only you're searching over 1,000 entries. Even with binary search, it's gonna be 10. So it's gonna be 10 million. With its ternary search, it's gonna be less than that. I don't know. No idea how to do it. Yeah, what else am I doing? How do I write this again? Yeah, using left here is in 2 different ways is not great. Muscle memory. I just use some small numbers. Is that right? No, I always write it this way, and it's always wrong. Something like this, right? And then now, Oh, then now I need this boss table, right? 13 minutes, I don't know if I'm getting it. Where's my code? My computer is slow. Oh, before I do that, before I continue, let me take a screenshot. Because once I run out of time, I always forget. What am I doing? I'll find my thingy. I lost my window. Oh, there it is. Was it called sports table? Do I not have it? Oh no, I misspelled sports table. Can find it. All right. And I'm gonna miss it. I should really update these to use. This is just maybe even this too, but what am I doing? I don't think I'm going to solve this, but at least I'm going to get the whatever right. What the? I never write it this way. Why now? Okay. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's right. What am I thinking of? I don't know if this works even, to be honest. I hope that it does. It's a property of the min-max, but okay. Max Leetcode query. Let's just actually keep it this way. If this is greater than okay, we are maximizing, so if it's greater than, then we move this one. Okay, fine. Okay. Maybe inclusive? No. Actually, then let's make it inclusive. Okay, I think technically this is right, maybe. Let's run it real quick. It's not callable. Why not? What do I do? What's the other again? Oh, it's dot query. Man, my eyes are so tired right now. Okay. I mean, I don't know where this comes from. This test input doesn't even match. Am I going nuts? These inputs are not what they... I mean, they're fine inputs, but they're not the examples that I'm looking at, right? Where are these inputs coming from? I'm so confused. And where's the button to like reset them or whatever? What is going on? I mean, maybe they're good inputs anyway, but still. I don't know what they're supposed to be anyway. Okay, 222 is probably not right. But I mean, we don't do a wraparound, right? So I don't think that's unexpected. This is 2. Is this 2? I guess it's still not wrapping around, so it's probably not figuring out right. Okay, so how do we do the wraparound part? I don't know if 2 is right, to be honest, but we can look at the other ones as well. This is probably right for not wraparound. 3 is yeah, it's probably right for not wraparound. There's nothing else you can do. 1, there's nothing to... I mean, technically this is right. Maybe, I don't know, it's true. I mean, it may time out anyway, right? Like, this part is probably, I don't know if that part is right, but even if it's right, it could time out. This part could time out, and this is just coming from here. And I don't know, I'm gonna I guess we have to kind of use this, right? So okay. We could maybe do this. Whatever, right? Just rotate 1, right? I mean, this is obviously too slow, but I just want to see, but it would maybe work. It fits the answer, so I'm submitting not because I think it's correct. I'm submitting so that I have like a submission in record. But it definitely should time out because this is at least n cube log n, maybe even. In the meanwhile, let me think about it. Yeah, I mean, I'm not that surprised. But we got through 600 test cases, so I think we're kind of right. Oh, we're correct, it's not fast enough. But, no water. It's either that or like maybe it's just something with the max or something and you only do it once or something, I don't know. Let me YOLO try with it. K somewhere? Is that this problem? I do use K somewhere, so that's... I also use that. Okay, whatever. Like, you could do something like that. I don't know if that works for someone like this problem. No, I mean, this is definitely still not good, right? It takes a max, so then 3312. Yeah, in this case, it still doesn't do the thing. Wait, did I do that right? Take the max index, so it's 2, so then now... No, I mean, move it to the front or something, right? I don't know. Take the max, then we'll move it to the front. That's what I was trying to do. I don't think it makes a difference between min or max, but that was like maybe a guess. It's either that or like you're off by 1 or something. Like now, the max is at the end. There's either max is at the end or max is in the front. Maybe that's a thing. Yeah. I have 2 minutes. I have nothing to lose. I have no idea how to solve this, to be honest. And this is about the same timeoutness, even slower. I mean, actually, that's interesting. Why is it timing out? I mean, I guess it's this part still then. Because we only do it 3 times. I mean, it's not too fast either, to be honest. But do we even use this one? I mean, we could remove this, but I don't think it makes it faster, but I don't know that it matters. It means that my ternary search is too slow. And it still ends at 646. I mean, I'm gonna YOLO. Ask ChatGPT to convert it to Java. I mean, it's doing silly things. I mean, yeah, it's fine at this point. I just want to see if this gives me a password. I lost my window, so that's why I'm not like... How does this happen? I have too many windows. That's how it happens. Alright. Yeah, 2 seconds, and now I'm done. Alright, let's see. Int array cannot be converted to long array. Do I need to know? Is that? Does that add up? It should, right? So it should be long. Alright, I mean, we just need to convert this to... Alright, this is even better. No. Maybe not that much better. Why do we use this actually anywhere? What the silly Leetcode? We don't use this anywhere, right? Oh, I see, because it's this dot nums. I see. Makes sense. I mean, we just have to convert this, right? So whatever. I forgot what language. There's probably a cleaner way to do it, but whatever. Is it still right? YOLO submit. Okay. I mean, we solved 1,000 solutions, so maybe it is, maybe ternary search doesn't work, but it seems very close, right? So I guess I'm kind of happy. I mean, maybe not that happy, but what is the input? Oh, the input is actually pretty. Can I try to figure this out? I don't know why they get rid of it. Like, it's very silly. But so the better answer is better than mine. Well, I guess let me see if this is like, is it a ternary search thing or a rotation thing? That's what I'm trying to think. And if we could rotate everything and it works, then it's the rotation thing, right? Oops. Auto bracket closing thing. And so, okay, so it's the rotation thing that's wrong. I thought I could do this way. What do I rotate by? I rotate by 14. Do we maybe care about the min? Maybe that's a critical point. Let's try it. This is the man. This is a one-liner in the other one, a two-liner. It's ridiculous, but okay, fine. Okay, then we just do the same thing, right? I mean, this is very weird. I've not used Java in this way, but I guess we can do this, right? Okay, this works for. Oh wait, no, it's still not working. What is the correct rotation then? I was hoping that this would work because maybe there's some critical points around the min and the max. Like gonna be like if you force the min and the max or something weird. But maybe this has to be in the same group. I don't know. What is the best rotation? Right. What is it? What do you call it? Nums? I'm trying to see which rotation matter, and apparently I don't know how to do it. Isn't there a like there used to be a thing. Maybe I'm thinking of someone else. Maybe another language. Is it not 2-string? Oh, it's a long and not a long object. Okay, fine. I forget how to do it. Is it just implicit? Okay, fine. Oh, this is with pass, right? So that means maybe actually I want soft. That's why I was putting everything. Okay, so the first input. Is there anything weird about this? Or even this? Or even this? I don't know. Nothing about the min and the max. I mean, and I kind of assume the first one is like matters. It's just luck, right? Like whatever input they give you. Because I'm just thinking about like working around the max and the min. The max and the min doesn't really make sense. Or like it doesn't seem to have a pattern here is what I mean by it doesn't make sense. And I don't know if there's like another way of doing it. If I need to, obviously if I need to rotate everything, then it just doesn't work, right? But maybe I need this to be -1. That doesn't even make sense though. Oh, and also because this is whatever in code. In Python it would have been fine, probably. I mean, this works, but is that right? I mean, at a certain point, I'm just like trying all rotations, and it's giving me wrong answers. Also another one, but so we're doing 6 things for everyone, which is fine. This is fine. This is perfectly normal. Normal, you know, normal things. This is definitely super wrong. Okay, at least this is consistently wrong. If this worked, I would have been like, I don't know. I mean, it would have been, I don't know. But we did get most of the cases, so it's the rotation that's wrong. I mean, I don't know. Getting a lot of cases from that is not super whatever, but it is good that, you know, we have this. Oh, approximate ternary search. Okay, fine. But, yeah, I don't know how to do this part. Is there like a thing to find the critical point? I think the other thing is that like the max appears multiple times, which may or may not throw things off. But you can't try all the max. I don't know. Oh, actually this is just dumb because we rotated by this, so that means that this actually just unworded it. Reworded it. So maybe I need something like this. I mean, this worked, but again, that doesn't mean anything. But I am going to YOLO submit because why not? And if it works, then I have to find another basis for it. Okay, so we're closer, but clearly at some point we're just like trying everything, right? Or like we're not that we're trying everything. That's not the issue. It's that we're like trying basically BS things. But I'm curious whether I can find something about this. It is just that we're not testing enough things, right? That'll be fun if the n-cube solution works. But I'm trying to think whether we could maybe eliminate stuff. I don't know. We haven't gone timeout yet, so that's kind of good. I am just going to push it a little bit and do a for loop just to see what timeout looks like. Nope. I think I'll pass. Oh, this should work, right? Because it tries everything. It's just when n is big, that is the issue. So this should time out, right? Oh. Huh. It's just because we forgot to do the original input. No, huh? So we do have a wrong thing with the ternary search, maybe. And also, it really still doesn't time out for some reason. But, oops. Well, this is a little bit tricky because it also just means that if we're doing a different rotation, but actually does it though? Let's take a look real quick. I mean, maybe we're just very wrong then. I don't even know where these comes from. Like, it is wrong in a lot of cases, I suppose is what I mean. Alright, where's these? Right, so that is the one. I remember something like that one. I mean, the ternary search doesn't work, I suppose. Well, that's all I got, I guess. I was hoping this would work, but that definitely does not seem like it works. Is this right at least? This is right. Is it too slow? It probably is too slow, right? It is like n to the 4th now. But I just want to see how far we get. Okay. But that's a lot of test cases. What is going on? Okay, so like I feel like I just use just this case. Does that take time out? Or do they just have like 1,000 Yeezy test cases? I don't know. Well, like, yeah, 1,000 Yeezy test cases, but and this is pretty as naive as I can get, but so we know that this is not right, but is it? Maybe it's not right because we don't solve it right. Huh. Now it's hard to say. Bring it back. I mean, this is not problem solving. This is research, discovery. I mean, it is probably just gonna be wrong answer, but oh, actually, that's actually surprising that this actually does work to a degree, but we have to do this. This is not right, huh? I mean, this shouldn't work, right? This is n cubed, but I'm surprised that it got as close as it did. I thought ternary search would work, but maybe something like this. Just do like 10. But I think like even if this works, this is just like hacking the input. I don't think this is quite right. In any case. But it times out because I guess this is well, I didn't change it back. So of course it would. That's actually surprising. Where is it outputting a huge negative number? Is that what? Why? This worked before, right? I'm just doing a lot of undos because I'm confused. So this worked. Oh, because this is inclusive. Whoops. I guess I did miss that, actually. This is actually the biggest, well, not really. I mean, that's why I did it. But I wouldn't say it's the biggest surprise, but it is a surprise. I guess it's around the critical points. But I don't know. I'm trying to hack into getting a right answer. But yeah, I mean, I think this is just wrong. I mean, if this is the case, it's just like ternary search doesn't work. Alright, I am ready to cheat. We are, I don't know what time it is, but in terms of like, you know. Let's take a look at Python solution. No idea what I'm looking at. Okay, what does that mean? Oh, they reduce K. That makes sense. But I don't even use. I guess it decreases the search depth. Okay. I mean, I don't know if I should have caught that, but I didn't think it affected things. But maybe I'm wrong, because then now you take one item instead. But you always want at least 2 things, unless you can choose, which makes sense. But all right, well. It's just, I mean, I didn't want to test that case again. But, quitting, I should have. Okay, so it still times out. Okay, so that's not the magic bullet. I think I clicked on a different person. But is this more readable for me? No, this is not readable for me. Let's see. Okay. Okay, fair enough. I guess I could have put in that. Would that make things fast enough? I feel like that's still also like, yeah, another wait, it can't be 0, right? Okay, well, at least it times out very fast. So, okay, we have not made. Oh, so okay. So we start at the index. Oh, we double it up, and then we start at the index. Same thing, I suppose, but you could just rotate it then, right? Maybe? I don't know. Oh, and that's kind of what I was doing. Why am I so bad at this? This is not what I was thinking of at all. Also, is it just like, no. Okay, so for I and N, what is DPK1? Plus X. Okay, so this is going backwards, right? I mean, he does the space optimization thing. Wait, does it? Do they? I don't know that I understand this one, but it is like the complexity is very clean. Okay, what's S sub I mean? So this is the start, so this is I. Okay, so this is just the current thing, and then K, we count down to K, right? Max dp of K at the current cell. What is dp? This part I'm not sure I get. I don't know what dp is. Okay, so one dp is equal to max of either itself or, yeah, I don't know that I understand this without understanding it. I mean, that's just crazy talk. All right. This looks like, but I guess it's something that people know. I mean, the rotation part about getting the min index also something interesting, but I guess people just know this. Kind of, I guess. It took a while. I don't know that I know the logic. I'm trying to see if I understand the logic enough to figure it out, but one. Alright, this is the cost of the one thing. Wait, what is this thing? Okay, so oh, this is the thing about doing one rotation. So I guess I got that part somehow. I mean, it's not super surprising, I suppose. Not that I necessarily understand it, but it is like a critical point probably, where everything else falls. But this DP maybe I don't get. Maybe I just don't know how to do the min-max DP type thing. Because some part of this is the min. Okay, so okay, so this is the same code as before, but they didn't do the space optimization, right? Okay, so given this cell, there's something about this relation that I don't understand. So guys, so well, this is just straight up. Okay, so the first index is K, and then the second index, I'm not sure. The first index is K, so number of partitions, right? So then now number partition is, this is the number of partition given from 0 maybe? That's what it looks like from here, right? So, okay. So then now what happens to your 2 partition? With 2 partition, what is J in this case? J is taking the answer from a smaller partition. So if it's 2, no, that's not right. I think it just forces you to not use the first I characters, maybe, for some reason. That part I don't know. Okay. This, of course, is the prefix. I see. So it's the prefix solution. Why minus though? I see. I think I get it. But I didn't know it. The minus comes from the fact that it is I couldn't figure it out though. And where's my n squared? I guess it is just index n. You want to write it that way? So you have this thing. And I know that I can write it bottoms up. That I was kind of intentionally writing this way because I was trying to go. But I didn't think. Honestly, maybe if I no, I mean no. Basically, it is either a min or a max. I guess given this current number, it is either a min or a max. And then this kind of cancels it out in case that it is not. Is that how you do it? I don't think I ever learned this or figured it out. Oh. Because basically the idea here is that if you're trying to find the min, then you're always subtracting, right? You have this thing. Let's say you always subtract the min or add the max. Let's just say add the max. Then you add the current number. And then you subtract it back out. Because if this is the max, or if this is the new max, then you would have the delta. I don't know that I know this one. I mean, I definitely do not, but I'm trying to have a coherent way of understanding this. Let me see if Alex has a tutorial. I don't know, I don't see it very obvious, but it seems like everyone knows how. Oh, sure. Seems like everyone did variation on this, so I guess I just don't know her. Like the other parts, I was able to get kind of. I mean, I had that other thing with the other loop, but this is interesting. J is only 3. I don't know what all this stuff is. This is just crazy talk. I mean, I think everyone's doing the same thing, so I don't think I know it. Yeah, I mean, I think I'm gonna call it a evening. Probably look at it later, but yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. How did I do? I don't even remember. I think I did okay, but definitely did not get Q4. Yeah, I don't know. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.